Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. To replace a top trim mounting post on your retractable downdraft vent, raise the vent, then shut off the power to the unit. Place a blanket over the cooktop to protect it. Now grip the sides of the trim and pull it straight up to detach. Use a 7mm socket or wrench to unthread the mounting post you're replacing, if still intact. Install the new mounting post by threading it into place on the underside of the trim. Use the socket or wrench to tighten. Before replacing the top trim, make sure all of the retaining clips are intact on the vent. Now align the mounting posts with the clips and snap the trim into place. Turn the power supply back on and lower the vent. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.